I'm not just picking up trash, I'm picking up hope. Hey guys, quick note before we start, I'm also using Project to practice my English, so thank you for sticking with me where I learn and grow. This is day 23 of Project Nature. I messed up the count yesterday, but I didn't mess up the mission. Big shout out to NicoCraft4545 for the amazing words. I wonder if I can do the same thing too. And yes bro, definitely you can. And the second one, I believe day 4. That kind of belief is what keeps this alive. We're not perfect, but we're consistent. If you believe in small actions make a big difference, follow and be part of this movement. Let's clean the world.